are the only products you'll be needing to achieve a flawless makeup if you are just starting as a beginner. Hello, assalamu alaikum fam, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I posted any video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome, and thank you for being part of the family. Thank you for sticking by, and thank you for always coming back. As always, my name is Asma'u, a professional makeup artist based in Kano, Nigeria, and a tutor and a content creator too. So today's video, I'm going to show you the only products you'll be needing to achieve a flawless makeup. Affordable makeup kit for beginners, Nigerian makeup product to be precise, to achieve this flawless makeup right here. I use only these products to achieve this flawless makeup right here. If you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. Let's dive right into the video. To build our makeup bag, first to build our makeup bag, we're going to start with a makeup bag, a micellar water to cleanse the face, and a wipe. We're going to use micellar water and this simple micellar water and the angel wipes to cleanse the face. We are going to start on a clean canvas. I don't know how I ended up missing the first clip of the video. I'm just so pissed right now that I'm editing this video and I'm having so sorry for the voice. I don't know how I ended up missing the clip. So first we are going to use, you can use only the wipes if you don't have a micellar water. As a beginner, you don't have to break the bank to get a micellar water. There are affordable micellar waters and smaller sizes, so you don't have to get this bigger one. You can just get a wipes. It will do the job. It will do the job perfectly. So we're going to start off with this too, and then we'll continue the video. Next is a moisturizer. Just get a very good moisturizer. I'll recommend either this Blossom moisturizer or a simple moisturizer. Let's add to cart. You have to always moisturize your face before applying foundation so that your foundation will sit down very well on your face. And for primer, we're going to, the primer depends on the skin type you have, either oily skin, normal skin, combination skin. For oily and combination skin, I'll recommend this Rimmel London Stay Matte primer. Next is a foundation. We have different affordable and very good foundations, Nigerian products. Yeah, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this. I use this Beauty foundation to achieve this look. For a beginner, you don't have to break the bank. You don't have to buy a lot of foundation. You are not a makeup artist. Just your shade. If you are struggling to finding your right shade, just get a foundation that is a little bit darker than your skin tone, since you're going to highlight with a highlighter, with a concealer. For concealer, we have these two concealers right here, Ezekiel concealer and Adventure concealer. They are both very good. We have different brand of concealers. We have Northern Beauty, Younger Beauty, Adventure, we have Vogue, we have Blossom. Yeah, Blossom is very good, and Northern Beauty too. So foundation, we have Jedrix too. Yeah, they are both very good. So just for foundation and concealers, get a foundation that is your right shade or a little bit darker than your skin tone. And for the concealer, use a shade or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, and it will go perfectly. So let's add to cart just one concealer and a foundation. These are the few brushes I use to achieve this look, or even less. Yeah, you don't have to have too many brushes to achieve a look. a perfect look. Just a few brushes, and I would recommend these MSQ brushes. They are very good, very affordable, and just too good. Yeah, you can use it, and you can use it to achieve a very good look as a beginner. So let's add to cart. Next is a beauty blender. You have to use a beauty blender or a brush. Next is powder palette, single compact powder or a loose powder. Anyone can do. As a makeup artist, use a powder palette because it has a lot of options, and you can use a compact powder or a loose powder. As a beginner, we have different types of powder palette. We have a powder palette that have 9 shades, 12 shades, 6 shades. So as a beginner, you don't have to use this powder palette. You can use this. It can work perfectly for you. There's just few shades for your skin. It's okay. It's your face only. Just know what works best for you, and you can just use a compact powder. 2 is okay. 1 for highlight, 1 for your face, and 1 for contour. 3, sorry. So I think powder palette will just work perfectly for that. Yeah, if you have to contour, to set the highlighted areas and to powder your face, you need 3 different shades for that. So then a powder palette will go. And then for brows, you can use a hair wax to tame your brows, and you can use it to also control your hair edge, so it will work perfectly for that. If not, then you can use a brow tamer. We have different brands of brow tamer, and I would recommend this as a beginner because you have so many things to do with it. You can control your edges, and you can also use it for your brows. You're almost full. For brows, we have the Odogu Davies pencil liner. I think everyone knows this brow pencil. This eye pencil, I mean. And some use a gel liner for their brows, and this carrot gel liner works perfectly for that. It comes in 2, a black one and a brown one. So you can use this for your waterline, the black one, and the brown one for your lips and for your brows. And then let's move to eyeshadow. I have this eyeshadow right here. It have different amazing colors. Yeah, and I can use this for my blush too. I can use this shade or this shade right here to do my blush, so you don't have to break the bank to make that clean makeup. Yeah. For mascara, we're going with this Mega Impact mascara from Kiss Beauty. I have a fitting spray and a locking mist. You can go with this as a beginner. It will work perfectly. Yeah, this one is the Odogu of them all. You can use this and your makeup will stay all day. And the lips, you just need a lip gloss, and if you want a more bold look, then you can go with a colored lipstick. We have a lipstick right here, lip stain, yeah, or lip paint, and then a lip gloss to top it off. You can use your gel liner or eye pencil to line your lips. That is what we use on this look right here. And with that, we have our full face makeup kit. We have our full face makeup kit right here. If you enjoyed this video and you learned 1 or 2 things, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.